Now, talking about apps, I think it makes sense to probably show you the ETIM connector app, because for those who might be interested in ETIM, they can see how that actually works, and the rest of you can see what an app actually looks like. So now I'm in the ETIM connector app here, and what you'll see is that it looks like Struct PIM, even though it's an app that's actually run outside of Struct PIM. What this allows me to do is to go in and browse the ETIM category structure. So ETIM defines a range of categories in here. So I can go in and have a look at different categories in an ETIM structure. I can select some of them. Once I've selected some ETIM categories here that I want to work with in my Struct PIM, I can go to my dashboard here, and then I can start to sync them into my Struct PIM. And you can see here that I already synced two ETIM classifications within the ETIM 9 structure. And what that does is that it actually synchronizes the ETIM structure into Struct PIM. So we get a catalog called ETIM 9 here, and then we get the different categories that is selected from ETIM here as categories in Struct PIM. And we also get the different attributes that exist within ETIM to be represented in Struct PIM, so we can start actually managing our product data in full compatibility with ETIM and the ETIM standard here. So for those that has something of a similar requirement, this is something that would really help in working with ETIM. And this is just to show an example on how the App Store can be used to actually extend the Struct PIM with some behavior that's very specific to some areas, but not relevant to other areas. We can add apps for actually solving those kinds of needs.